On the HomeWork Solutions Service portal, on your household dashboard, you can navigate to add employee anytime that you'd like to add a new employee. After terminating an employee, you can also hide terminated employees from view if you wish. Your employee is able to update their other personal information here, or if you have it on hand, you are welcome to put it in yourself. The work site will be your home address, and the employee's information can be added below. If you don't have the employee's home address on hand, they can add that piece of information. Position information, housekeeper. Residential status, live out. Start date. Perhaps the start date for Henry is this week. The first pay date would be the following Friday after the first full week is performed. You'll fill out an I-9 with Henry before they start in your household. There is a hyperlinked PDF for the I-9 on your dashboard. Your employee, Henry, can fill out the W-4 information when they log in to update their information. But if you have a W-4 on hand that Henry provides, you can provide it here by selecting the different settings or ask that the employee put the information in themselves. For payment method, you are able to select if they are going to receive direct deposit and put in their information for their routing number and account number if you have it. But if you don't, just leave that box unchecked so that they can add that on their own. You'll put the hourly rate in here for the employee. And if you need help determining what the hourly rate is, you can select the pay rate calculator to assist you with calculating how much per hour your employee makes. Let's say your employee makes $1,000 a week for 40 hours per week. That's $25 per hour. How will you report time? By clock, daily, or once per pay period. You can select what will work for you, and you can always change it at a later date if you'd like. You can allow the employee to enter their own time cards, and you can choose to approve the time cards that they enter. If you decide that you want a default set where you pay the same amount each pay period, you can add one here. You can deactivate it if you wish. Enable care notes, daily living activities. For a housekeeper, you probably don't need that. The deductions that come out of the employee's check are preset to yes, as that is the standard process. They pay into Social Security and Medicare taxes and their income taxes. If you need to change this or have questions on it, please reach out to us. Does this household pay for employees' health insurance? If you're offering health insurance stipend or reimbursement, you can select yes and discuss the information with our team upon enrollment. If not, select no and then click Add. When your employee has been added to the portal, they will receive an email and be able to log in to update their information. You will see them here on your dashboard. If you need PDF copies of a W-4 for your employee or an I-9 to fill out with your employee, You can download them here and fill out paper copies as opposed to a digital W-4. The I-9 we do not need back. That is for your records, unless you are participating in our E-Verify program, Process Help. If you are doing so, we will need the I-9 to help you with completing your E-Verify steps. Please reach out to us if you have any questions on adding an employee or updating employee information. You can reach us at 800-626-4829. Once the employee has put in all of their personal information, like their social security number and address, this alert will go away. Thanks so much, and we look forward to working with you soon.